Hello and welcome to this Melage tutorial. Today I'll guide you through the initial steps of working with Melage software, focusing on setting up a new project and importing images for analysis. To begin, we need to create a new project. Go to the File menu and select New Project. Or from here, you can select New Project. You will be prompted to name your new project. For this example, let's name it Core Project. Okay. Once you've named and created your project, it will appear in the software interface. However, to start working, you'll need to import an image. Let's import an MRI image to work with. Navigate to the Open option where you can select an MRI image. Upon opening the image, it will be displayed in three standard views. You can see Coronal, Sagittal, and Axial. Typically, the first view showing the front aspect of the image is the coronal. The middle view displaying the side profile, and the last view presenting a top-down perspective. In Melage, we have three different tabs that you can see: mutual view, ultrasound segmentation, MRI segmentation. Since we have opened an MRI image from MRI segmentation, open MRI, let's navigate to MRI segmentation tab. Here you can see a larger display of each slice. And by default, we have coronal view. We can select sagittal view or axial view of the image. You can also, after that, we can also search to mutual view. This guide should help you comfortably start using Melage by setting up a new project and importing the necessary images for your analysis. Thank you for the following along and stay tuned for more detailed functionalities in upcoming tutorials with Melage.